Hello and welcome to the tutorial for Swallowtail Jig. In this tutorial we're going to talk about 6/8 meter and counting in it. This is the time signature that Swallowtail Jig is written in. I love 6/8 time signature because it has an awesome rolling forward momentum to it. There is a specific way that you should think about, or I should say feel, 6/8 meter. First of all, 6/8 time means that you will see the equivalent of 6/8 notes worth of time in each measure. We are going to take a look at the first two measures here of Swallowtail Jig. As you can see, there are 6/8 notes in each of these measures. How you want to feel the pulse of this song is in two groups of 3/8 notes per measure. The pulse is like what we tap our foot to. I'm going to sing the finger numbers while clapping to the pulse of this song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 8, 3. Again, this time I want you to clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 8, 3. All right, now it's time to take the pulse and transfer that into your toe. It helps me to tap my toe to feel this song. And we're going to play along to it for the first two measures. Tap your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Once you get it up to speed, it will really start to sound like a jig. We're going to play it a little faster. You can either watch or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's how you play in 6/8 meter. Have fun playing Swallowtail Jig.